Hi, in this project we are going to apply machine learning on home data. The home data has 80 unique features and with 1024 rows. So the target variable here is our sale price. We are going to use random forest classifier to predict the sale price class in which the test data may fall. The sale price target variable is converted into a category type by placing its values into 6 price ranges. We are using Jupyter, Python to edit and view the code. In the later part of the project, we are going to see if dimensional reduction using principal component analysis can improve the accuracy of our prediction. These are the packages that we need for analyzing our data. And then we are creating a new field or a new column in our data called the sale price category. This sale price category contains classification values of sale price which have been split into ranges, sale price ranges. In order to know the possible sale price ranges or correct possible sale price ranges, we have projected the data, the sale price data, to see its distribution, and we find that it could be conveniently classified from 0 to 100,000, 100 to 200, 300 to 400, and so on. And that was what was done here, and we have come up with 6 ranges. So now our new target variable is sale price category. Here we are splitting our data, and these are the shapes of our data. So into training data and testing data. And then we have applied the PCA with 2 components, and we have applied the random forest classifier with PCA and random forest classifier without PCA. We also took another classifier called linear discriminant analysis just to see if there is any change in the accuracy over random forest classifier. So we have applied even that one here on the normal data and to see how it predicts. And these are our prediction results. And these graphs, the first graph shows PCA1, PCA principal component analysis 1 over the training data, and this is principal component analysis 2 over training data. And these are our accuracy results, and we can see that random forest classifier without PCA has actually performed better. So, and then PCA does not give us the important features that were used for the classification during machine learning. So in order to know the important features, or if you are interested in knowing the important features that have influenced the classification, we can use the random forest important features method to determine the features, the ranking of the features. And we have used that, and we found the results as below. The feature 26 and 45 and 16, they take a lot of higher priority than many of them. There are about 80 features. And we have displayed those in a graph, and this is our enhanced view of the graph, and we find that the external material quality is the most important feature that influenced the sale price. And then the overall material quality was the second one. Total basement square feet was also a very important criteria in determining the sale price. And few other features that were found to be showing influence on our sale price was the total square feet, and then the lot area, something. And then we also have, people did consider the neighborhood also, like whether there are schools, colleges, hospitals, and so on. And the one that hardly had any influence was the feature called street, I mean which street number it was. So it was not very important. Neither was alley. So even logically looking at the data, we can say that was right. We generally are not very much interested in knowing the street number when we are looking for a house and its price. The land shape also did not contribute much. So this is our analysis for the home pricing. If you have any questions, please contact us. Thank you.